Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you a very useful module on Odoo which is developed by us at Techvaria. And this module will bring a lot of easy user experience for salespeople to create a sales order very quickly using the catalog feature in Odoo. So the application which we have launched is attribute filter in product catalog. Normally in Odoo, when we are using the catalog view in any of our sales quotation, when we punch catalog, we will normally see category as a filter. But with our application, now you can quickly search by attribute and your product will be made available, which is from that attribute only. So this is how you can filter down what is available in that particular category as well as product itself. So this module will help quickly add your preferred product based on even the attribute in the catalog view. So overall, all your attributes which are connected within your product portfolio will be made available over here. So now when I just search with female and size small, you can see it here. When you search for the provided category and the relevant filter on attributes, it will be made available over here. So all the product which you select will be directly appear here based on this application. And this application is available for free. So anyone can download and install this particular application on Odoo SH or any private cloud where they are using Odoo application. If you have any further query or want to extend this particular functionality, reach out to us at techvaria.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Thank you very much. Good day.